what's poppin', what's crackalin'. I just came out of auto, so I'm gonna try something with my car before I get rid of it. Give me a second, let me get in the car. I was just there. Auto, free promo for auto. Not like I have a lot of viewers, but it is what it is. So I was on YouTube yesterday, and I came across GASKET fix. I think over 20 different videos of people putting this stuff in their car, and they fix the smoke problem. So guess what I'm gonna do? Yep, I'm putting this stuff on my car. Wish me luck. Because I seen only one person that put that on the BMW. Only one person. So I guess I'm gonna be the second person. I don't know. We'll have to wait. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning, and we'll see.
Yo. Good morning. It's the next day. It's a new day. So today is the day that I put the bar sleeve on my BMW. I don't know. I'm in between. I don't know if I want to do that. I don't know.
Oh, excuse the gum on the seat. My dad did that, not even my son. So here it is. So drain it, and I'm gonna wet it. Okay. So I guess I put it in the antifreeze, shake it, put it in the antifreeze, and let it rock. We'll see. Last time the time now is about 11 in the morning. The last time I used this car was last night at 1 in the morning. It's not that hot outside, but the engine feels hot still. I don't know what that is. Why is that? Anyhow, so this is, oh, that could be it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff in it. Shake well. Hot over 50 minutes. I let it cool. Okay, got it. It's a nice, pretty color. Hopefully, this pretty color don't mess up my car even worse than what it is. There goes nothing. So now, where's the cap? Put the cap on. Okay, today. So what I did was, well, the car had to be cold. Let me turn the camera around. Now I guess you can see the smoke, but let's turn the smoke coming out from the engine. I don't know. So I'm waiting the 15 minutes to see if the bars leak work on my car. It's either it works or it blows up the car. I hope it doesn't blow up my car. This is actually the first video using the bars leak on a 2011 BMW 550. Started to see the smoke coming out. A little bit. I could deal with that. If that's the amount that's gonna come out, I could deal with it. I don't know if you guys see it on the video. Just a little bit. I think, Jesus Christ, my exhaust is full of oil. The car wash. Well, so far, no smoke. It told me 15 minutes, so. It's so hot today. Jesus Christ. Anyhow, so I did all the procedures with the liquid for. What up to my son? It's shorter than me. No. A little bit. Yeah. So I put the liquid on the car. I followed the procedures. And no smoke. Yo, there's no smoke on the car. Oh. Well, I'm gonna turn on the car again. Yo, my socks, man, it's coming off. Jesus. It's super hot today. So I'm going to drive from Staten Island to Brooklyn and see if I still get no smoke. We'll see. So I'll be back in a couple of minutes. You got a little smoke. Not a lot of smoke.